Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your wish list on AliExpress. Whether you are sharing it with someone as a gift idea or just want to show off your favorite finds, it's a great way to get your friends involved in your shopping journey. So let's get started. First, open up your AliExpress app on your device. Once you are in the home screen, make sure that you have logged in your account. On the app, tap on the account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Wishlist. If you haven't added any items yet, just start browsing and tap on the heart icon next to any item you want to add to your wishlist. In the wishlist section, you'll see all the products you have saved. It's a great way to organize your favorite products before you buy them. Now let's get to the fun part, sharing your wishlist with your friend. Tap on the share button and you'll be given several options to share your wishlist, including social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or even direct link sharing. Let's say you want to share it to WhatsApp. Simply tap on WhatsApp icon and it will generate a link that you can send to your friends. If you prefer to share a direct link, you can copy the URL and paste it wherever you like. And that's it. Sharing your wishlist on AliExpress is easy and fun, and also a great way to get your friends and family involved in your shopping experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit on that like, share and subscribe button. And also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.